Hello, this is me, Amal Hermos. I'm top styles and color specialist. Today I'm gonna show you how to cut your fringe. For example, if you have a fringe here, this is very long, see? And I'm gonna make short this one. So we're gonna leave the side a little bit long. Take the fringe here, just a little bit. Cut it from length to short, just a little bit. See? Make it short fringe. So take the second section, the same, from short to long. See? See? Exactly, nice line and very beautiful. Of course, don't forget to put little bit hair lacquer in the hair. Yeah, see? Little bit short fringe. You can also choose for a little bit shorter line here, so you cut it now to outline from short to long. See, so you have nice and lovely fringe. See, this is my lovely fringe. I wish you like it. This is me, Amal Hermos. I'm top styles and color specialist. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye.